Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Wrap in Roblox Rivals. This incredibly rare cosmetic is one of the most desired items in the game, offering a distinct visual style. It also provides a tactical edge, as your weapon becomes completely invisible when you aim down sights. Getting this wrap requires a specific method and a bit of dedication, but it is definitely achievable for any player. The main challenge for obtaining the Ghost Wrap is a significant time investment. You must accumulate a total of 24 hours of in-game playtime, exclusively with the grenade launcher. This means the game needs to register you actively holding and using this particular weapon in matches. It is a long grind, but there are smart ways to approach it to make the process much smoother and faster. To efficiently earn your 24 hours, many players utilize an AFK farming strategy. You can download a simple macro tool, such as Tiny Task, to automate your actions. Record a short sequence where you repeatedly select the grenade launcher. Then, join a free-for-all server, which typically allows for continuous play, and activate your macro. You can let this run overnight, or while you are away, steadily accumulating the necessary playtime. After successfully logging 24 hours of grenade launcher playtime, the Ghost Wrap will automatically unlock for your account. You can then head into your in-game customization menu, find the Wrap section, and apply this awesome new cosmetic to any of your weapons. Get ready to show off its sleek, transparent design and enjoy the clear line of sight it provides when aiming, giving you a distinct advantage in your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.